Hiya, my name's Heather. I'm one of the co-founders and team leaders on the Aber Food Surplus project. The big dream that I have for our community is that we have a more participatory and inclusive food system. So that means that there's more opportunities for people who would like to get involved with the cooking of food together, eating together, sharing food, and growing food together, and really celebrating good, healthy, nutritious food.
So my dream is that Aberystwyth is a place where everyone feels connected and cared for, and where sustainability and care of the planet's resources are at the heart of local projects which bring people together, sharing skills, providing creative opportunities and enhancing well-being for all.
The vision that our community agreed on involved developing a shared hub space for the community to come together in, developing a circular food system, promoting well-being systems in our town, and creating resilient local funds for local investment.
So next we need to engage a wider group of people, including local council, ensuring youth is represented, and linking up existing community groups who may have overlapping aims. And this way we'll ensure a broader cross-section of the community is involved, and we'll be able to draw from a larger pool of ideas, knowledge and skills.
I think the next step for our community is to map out who's doing what and bring everyone together again to start working towards a collaborative approach and exploring what a collaborative approach looks like and what it needs to look like for us to all work well and happily together.